YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully good. If not, well, hopefully this makes it a little bit better. So today, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me. I'm opening up the shop right now. Today we have, well, we're doing something everyone's been waiting for, including myself, because I hate the look. But today we're lifting the back of the Duramax. So I went to Off-Road Warehouse, picked up my parts this morning, and we're gonna work on the back of the truck today. So without further ado, I grabbed some Bilstein shocks for the rear, and I have the BDS. I thought I was getting zone blocks, but I have a BDS lift blocks right there with U-bolts right here and all the hardware. So we're gonna go over getting this all situated, set up, and taken care of, and hopefully it makes the truck sit level and everything is golden. I know my videos have been a lot of rambling lately, so we're gonna not ramble, we're just gonna get this done today, and probably drive it to work again tonight. I got a few other little things I want to clean up, but other than that, it should be golden. Alright, so jack the truck up. Supported the frame with these jack stands, which someone was asking, the B&B pipe and industrial tools. That's where they came from. They're for welding, I guess, or something, pipe welding, something along the lines. And but basically got the frame done, lowered the weight off. I have it jacked up a little bit right now. I'm gonna take the U-bolts off the axle, drop the axle down more, slide the blocks in the new U-bolts, and then it should be a pretty easy day. So we have zipped off all the U-bolts, and basically now we're just gonna lower the axle down so we can get the blocks in there, and then bolt everything back up. Pretty easy. Blocks are super simple. That's what we're doing. Alright, so note, just make sure you always support the front. I kind of forgot and the axle kind of fell. So just make sure that the front is supported. That way it doesn't go too far. And then you should be golden. We're gonna get the blocks in, U-bolt started, and we should be ready to rip soon. So we're getting there. It shouldn't take too long. So I have not put the shocks in yet, but we have the blocks mounted. Everything's kind of tightened down. We're gonna jack it up to get it off the jack stands, and then we'll see where it sits. Hopefully it's level. Looks like these can come out. Alrighty, so jack stands are out. We're gonna let it down the rest of the way. Cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is money. Oh baby, look at that. Whew. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That looks 100 times better. I wouldn't say the front's too much higher, maybe a little bit, but there's really not too much we can do at this point. But it looks killer. I am so stoked now. We just need to put the track bars on, the shocks on, and we're gonna be ripping here. Oh man, that looks 100 times better. I'm stoked, so stoked. So we got the blocks in. Let me get the shocks and everything else wrapped up now, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Guys, bear with me, the road is super bumpy. I don't have a mount in this truck for the camera or anything, But see if we can't get out of here first. I can definitely bring my mirrors back down a little bit though. Sorry about that. Yeah. This road's probably gonna be pretty gnarly to videotape on. But so far so good. Seems to be driving pretty smooth. No clunks yet, no nothing. Guys, I love this truck, and it's like, oh, there we go. With the ZF6, it's really not bad to drive, even with 38 stock gearing. It's actually a really easy truck to drive, and I love it. No real complaints. I mean, it drives pretty straight. Like, it's not really pulling to one side or anything. I know I'm on a dirt road, but the only thing is the sway a little bit. When you hit a bump, kind of dips down towards that side just a little bit, but nothing too crazy, nothing we can't, you know, work on. I have my seat so far forward because I had to look over the hood so much, but the view's not bad. I still need to clean up in here. There's a pretty long way down. So I'll bring us over to the car wash, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. Got a quick little wash. I'm gonna have to wash this thing like 5 more times before it actually comes clean. There's still dirt coming off on the final rinse after I rinsed it off 3 times, scrubbed it, and all that good stuff. So it's gonna take a little while, but the rear lift is done. Everything's holding up. This view sucks, the sun. Hold on, we'll go back to the other side. But as for that, basically, this truck's just about done. It's just gonna be cleaning up the little things. You see the Bilsteins under there? I don't know if you can. They ride great. Everything rides great in the back. Super happy about it. Rides super good. So yeah, we are done for today. Expect in the next few days we'll do the actual driving video where like I'll drive it pretty far or something and go over everything. Also, we got the mirrors to do soon, so there's a lot of like little things we need to clean up. But basically, as for getting a 12-inch lifted, or 11 to 12, whatever you want to call it, lifted Duramax 38 solid axle swap compound turbo ZF6 truck, it's coming together. So thank you guys as always for the support. We're almost there. So have a good night, guys. I'll catch you later.